20 English words to describe shape, size, and quality. Welcome to FluentEase English. In this lesson, you'll learn 20 English words to describe shape, size, and quality. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and answer the questions. Let's begin. Shape and size, round. Round, round. Round means like a circle. The ball is round. What is round? The ball. Square, square, square. Square means having 4 equal sides. The box is square. What is square? The box. Flat, flat, flat. Flat means smooth and even. The table is flat. What is flat? The table. Thick, thick, thick. Thick means not thin. The book is thick. What is thick? The book. Thin, thin, thin. Thin means not thick. The paper is thin. What is thin? The paper. Wide, wide, wide. Wide means large from side to side. The river is wide. What is wide? The river. Narrow, narrow, narrow. Narrow means not wide. The road is narrow. What is narrow? The road. Deep, deep, deep. Deep means going far down. The lake is deep. What is deep? The lake. Shallow, shallow, shallow. Shallow means not deep. The pool is shallow. What is shallow? The pool. Straight, straight, straight. Straight means not curved. The line is straight. What is straight? The line. Quality, easy, easy, easy. Easy means not difficult. The test is easy. What is easy? The test. Difficult, difficult, difficult. Difficult means hard to do. The question is difficult. What is difficult? The question. Hard, hard, hard. Hard means firm or difficult. The rock is hard. What is hard? The rock. Soft, soft, soft. Soft means easy to press. The pillow is soft. What is soft? The pillow. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Heavy means not light. The box is heavy. What is heavy? The box. Light, light, light. Light means not heavy. The feather is light. What is light? The feather. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Fresh means new and clean. The bread is fresh. What is fresh? The bread. Stale, stale, stale. Stale means not fresh. The bread is stale. What is stale? The bread. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Smooth means having no rough surface. The glass is smooth. What is smooth? The glass. Rough, rough, rough. Rough means not smooth. The wall is rough. What is rough? The wall. Excellent job. You learned 20 common English words about shape, size, and quality. Listen again, repeat many times, and speak naturally. Subscribe to FluentEase English for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.